It's a 2013 Nissan Sentra. Thanks to a combination of fuel economy, room and fun, and wealth of touches, the good life is within reach. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes those are real LEDs you're seeing dressing up the headlights and taillights. They're standard equipment. Innovation, excitement, Nissan. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Atlanta Used Cars Lilburn is proud to provide our customers with the best deals in Atlanta promise. Conveniently located in Lilburn, Georgia.